Hi, I'm Gillian from FreeAgent's support team. In this video, I'll guide you through how to categorise a business cost in FreeAgent that was paid for straight away using business funds. If you or one of your team paid for the cost using personal funds, you would add an out-of-pocket expense instead of categorising a bank transaction. Once the bank transaction has been imported into your FreeAgent account via a bank feed or uploaded from a bank statement, you'll need to explain the cost to the relevant category. Choose Payment as the type to access the cost categories. FreeAgent cannot advise which category to allocate a cost to because we're not authorised by HMRC to provide accounting advice, but I'll go through a list of standard categories for day-to-day business running costs and provide some examples of what you might use them for. If none of the available categories are suitable for a cost, you can create a custom cost category for it. Accommodation and meals would be used when you travel for business and stay away from home overnight. Business entertaining would be used for the cost of entertaining anyone who isn't a current employee of your business. For example, taking a customer or supplier out for a meal or to a sporting event. Computer hardware would be used for smaller computing items with a useful life of less than a year. Computer equipment that will be useful for more than a year would usually be explained as a purchase of a capital asset instead. Mobile phone would be used for the running costs of a mobile phone, such as contract fees. Don't include the cost of buying the phone itself in this category. This would be a capital asset purchase. Motor expenses would be used to record costs such as petrol, an MOT or servicing, but not mileage claims. Rent would be used for the cost of renting an office that's not in your home. Don't use this category for any deposits you pay to landlords, as this isn't a day-to-day running cost of your business. Staff entertaining would be used for the cost of entertaining current employees of your business who are on the payroll and being paid a salary, such as a Christmas or summer party. Bank finance charges would be used for bank charges if your bank account is in your business's name, or finance fees, such as PayPal fees. Insurance would be used for the cost of insurance for your business, such as contents insurance for your office or public liability. Interest payable would be used for interest paid on things like business loans or hire purchase accounts. The pension stakeholder and pension annuity categories would be used for employee pension payments that don't go through the payroll. If you're a sole trader or a partner in a partnership, payments to your own pension have to be explained as drawings instead. Travel can be used for the costs associated with travelling for the purpose of conducting business-related activities, such as bus, train, air, and taxi fares. Use of home would be used for allowable costs that you incur while working at home. Cost of sales would be used for costs that relate directly to particular individual sales that your business makes, for example, delivery costs. Materials would be used for the cost of materials to make goods for sale. Subcontractor costs would be used for the cost of hiring subcontractors to help make your goods for resale. If you're not running payroll in FreeAgent, you would also see cost categories net salary expense and PAYE/NI expense. These would be used for payments of expenses related to the salary you pay your staff and the payment made to HMRC in lieu of PAYE or national insurance. At the bottom of the drop-down menu, you'll find categories related to taxes that would be used for tax payments to HMRC. After you've chosen the relevant category, you can enter a description and attach a receipt. Once you're happy with everything, select Explain Transaction to complete the process. You can find more detailed guidance on each category and also on categories only available to users with an unincorporated landlord account in our knowledge base. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for listening.